Trojan is a company from California, 100 years old, being in the lead acid battery business. Right now we are just expanding that product portfolio a little bit more to a 100 amp hour battery, a 12 volt. But really the big innovations are about to come by the end of the year. We're launching this actually at SPI, I think it's in California this year, which is going to be a lithium product. We're looking into the lithium batteries as an expansion to our current product portfolio. Here it's our solar AGM 12 volt 200 amp hour battery called the SAGM 12205. This is the biggest runner in Africa, as well as in several other markets. It's a very durable product. I mean, Trojan is known for life. You know, like we want to make batteries that last the max human life. We actually almost overdid it and started to get into a lifetime of a flooded battery. But this is a maintenance-free AGM battery, rivaling gel batteries nowadays in performance, in durability. So that's why it's so in demand in Africa right now. Even Nigeria is one of our biggest places where we sell those batteries, and we get a fantastic response time.
Yeah, so this is the fourth time that we've been nominated for the Intersolar Award since I think 2015, and we've actually been the winner on a previous occasion. So I think that just goes to show with the innovation spirit that Trojan has and the passion that we have for the renewable energy industry.